Hi guys, welcome to Acrylic Painting with me, Julie E. If you're just joining us for the first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad you're here with us today, and if you like what you see, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Can you believe I'm almost up to 2,000? Yay! How fun would it be to reach 2,000 by my birthday at the end of April? I would love that and appreciate it so much. What we're doing today is we are doing a mixed bloom, but we're using the leftover drips from the Cloudy Piggy pour. Boy, say that 3 times fast. Yeah, we're using the drips from that pour and for our base coat, and then some of the same colors. We're using the same colors that we used in that pour too. There were a few pigments. I think I had This Little Piggy Harvest Gold, This Little Piggy S'mores, and This Little Piggy Sockeye or Salmon, one of those. But yeah, and oh man, as you can tell, I'm doing a voiceover, and there's a few reasons why. Mostly because there were a lot of cursey words. And I hate having to go in and just trying to edit out all my cursey words. So it's just easier for me to do the voiceover. So yeah, but oh, here it comes. Here comes the part that breaks my heart. And it'll probably break yours too. I wish I would have stopped right after this. What I did was I laid down my colors and did kind of a like a bloom Dutch pour is the best way I can describe it. And watching the replay back, doing this edit, it just was like, oh, palm of the hand to the face, man. Going, I can't believe you kept messing with it. So yeah, I wish I would have just stopped right after this and maybe gave it a spin or two just to get a little extra paint off. But of course, it's me, and I didn't. So here it goes. Yeah. So, but I hope you enjoy watching this. These are all mixed with MiX pour, and MiX pour works great for doing the blooms. The cell activator was mixed with Australian Floetrol, titanium white from Amsterdam, and Floetrol. And yeah, right there. Just leave it. Get some patience, woman. To mix my piggies in the mix, what I did is I used Liquitex Gloss Varnish for my wetting agent and wet my pigments with that first, and then mixed it into the mix pouring medium. And yeah, it works great. And I will have all that in the description below this video. If you want to check it out and try it yourself, the ingredients and how I did it will be in there. Or please go check out the Cloudy Piggy video that I did. I believe there is actually a mixing tutorial in that video, which is why this one did not end up at the end of it. Because I thought it was more important to show you guys how I mixed my pigments. So, but I didn't want to use an entire hour to just show you 2 pours. So yeah, these were cut. This was the second half of the Cloudy Piggy video. So, but I will let you watch. I will put on some music. I hope you enjoy it. And we'll see you at the end for dry results.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say. You should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on. Listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Never gonna stop. No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't never gonna stop. No, no. Oh, I ain't never gonna stop. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Never gonna stop now, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no, no. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Woo-hoo. Never gonna stop now, baby.
Come on, and groove along. I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, beat up. Wow. Come on and groove along. Come on. I said, babe. I said, babe. Oh, honey, come and groove along. You gotta feel it, yeah. You gotta move along. Gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel. You gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel. You gotta feel it. On the roadway, you gotta move along.
Okay, I love this. I love this. Pretty as that. Okay. I'll get that over to my drying area and I'll come back in a little bit. Sorry about the lighting conditions. Here is the last one we got done. Yeah, I'm totally losing daylight. It's getting so cloudy here right now. So, but didn't that turn out gorgeous? Look at that. That Sockeye went from such a gorgeous pink to such a beautiful purple in this. I just love it. And I love that Harvest Gold also from the Little Piggies. I think this turned out absolutely beautiful. And I also found out what the problem was with my cell activator. Oops. On the heart that we did. I grabbed the wrong cup. I grabbed the little cup that had some base coat in it that I was using the night before on tiles. So, ooh, there you could catch a little bit of the shimmer. You see that? Right there by my thumb. Right above it. The Harvest Gold. Oh, it's so pretty. Love that shimmer. And then that beautiful stormy pink cloud look. Just really gorgeous. Yeah. Very pretty. Love it. Okay. That is it for today. Have a great week, guys. Until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.